I'm Lucy and I've won Traineeship of the Year. I chose to do an apprenticeship because as well as getting like the actual hands-on experience with the children, I also get the qualification as well. So it's a bit of both. Yes, because as I said earlier, you can get both the qualification and the hands-on experience. And especially for like younger people who maybe don't have the best GCSEs and are struggling to find a job, you still get a bit of money. So you're starting to be able to make your own way in life and like pay for yourself. I have decided to go on to the next level. I'm currently doing a level 2, but once I finish that, I'm thinking about going on to level 3 and then doing the manager course as well. My employer is Beach House. I'm currently in the fun club, but I will be moving up to the nursery to get a range of different age groups. Obviously, I mind the children. We plan activities for them. Twice a day we do like circle time, so we do like stories, we do a bit of Welsh, like colours and numbers. If there's any like bumps, scrapes, bruises, I'm one of the ones responsible for doing the incident report and reporting it to the parents. Oh, yeah, I was a bit shocked that I was nominated actually. Like, I got the call and I was just like, what? Who's nominated me for that? I honestly didn't expect to win it, if I'm honest, but it's pretty good that I have.